Most people spend days building a portfolio website. I'm going to build one in under few minutes using AI. Just make sure you have your resume in your hand. So just what you have to do is that open a Cloud AI. So like this. Open this Cloud AI platform. So what you have to do is that you have to attach your resume here, add a files, and you just have to attach your resume, whatever the resume you have. And I am also providing you the prompt in the description. So just make sure the copy that prompt and add that prompt into here. So this is the prompt, and just click over here. So your website is now building. So this will take some time, might be around 5 to 10 minutes or sometime 5 minutes, okay, and maybe some longer time. But this can actually make a very beautiful website. So all the coding task and all the css html task has been performed by the Cloud AI itself, and it can zip it up for us, and then we have to perform other tasks afterward. Just wait for few minutes. The website is ongoing. So this is a very beautiful thing that AI can provide, uh, and we also know that how we can use this AI infrastructure to build our own website. So this website actually completely free. What we are going to do is that we are hosting this website on the GitHub Pages, which is actually free. Just and when we want to host this website by our own name, for example, my name is Pramod Tidke, so I want to buy a domain name. So domain name mainly cost around 99 rupees, or with the GST it will take up around 116 rupees in the GoDaddy. So this is the dot. So we will what we will get is that .in extension. So the our website actually, and so the our domain name will actually looks like pramodtidke.in. So this kind of domain name we will get, and we can connect that domain name with the GitHub pages, and with our own name our website will be live. If you don't want that domain name and you want actually complete it by for a free, so you just simply uh, host your website in the GitHub pages. That's it. So in the meantime, this website is building. What we can do is that we can just set up our GitHub repo. So do one thing, like open the new tab, your GitHub account. Just open your GitHub account and do one thing, new repo. Just create one new repo and give a name like my portfolio, and make sure it is public and all the thing as it is, and create repository. So this is our repository has been created in the GitHub pages. So in the GitHub, so just wait for some time. Okay, so our website has been built, and it is and website and all the code has been zipped. So just download it. Okay, so I have downloaded the desktop. I download the zip file. I'm just going to unzip it. The file has been unzipped, and just what I can do is that I just open the VS Studio. New window, opening a new folder, which is a Pramod Tilke portfolio. I just opened it. Okay, I opened it over here. What we can do is that we just have to open the terminal over here and just follow the steps as it is. Get in it, initialize your Git account. Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to just set a branch name. We just set a branch name, then we have to do git initialization. Then just what we do is that just follow this. Git add dot means it select all the files, and just copy this git commit -m, and which is our first commit. So it commit all the 5 files. Then just copy this also, just do this, and just push that complete files to the or origin main. So all the files has been pushed to the GitHub account. Just refresh it. When you refresh it, all the files is available here. Okay, then what you have to do is that we have all our coding, all our code in the GitHub, and all the HTML and all the our assets file, the CSS, JS, and resume. But the resume is also here, like this is our resume. Then what we have to do is that just get into the setting of this particular repository, then come to the GitHub pages, which is our pages, deploy from branch, which is our GitHub action, and static HTML, and then just do the commit changes. When you do the commit changes, some kind of GitHub actions has been going on from the backend. When this GitHub action has been completed, then we can follow the other process. Just we can check this out. Deployment is ongoing to the GitHub pages. When our website has been deployed, then we'll found something like this. Our website has been live. So this is our website, which is look insane. Just look at this website. Everything is here. Our professional experience, everything. We can also download our resume. So you can add this link into your resume also. promodtilke.github.io/my portfolio. It is way more simple than we think. Okay, so just think about this. Like this can actually make so many kind of changes. This can help your resume more highlighted. So how this can work. Okay, so when I just download resume, any recruiter can download your resume through your website. So this is way more simple. So whatever the resume, okay, so this is a resume. uh, so this is a resume, and this resume has been copied and enhanced in a website direction side, and all the things, all the backend coding, all the designing, all the other task has been performed by itself of the by itself. Okay, so you don't have to do any such kind of thing. Everything has been done by the cloud AI.